This is the first choice of acne-prone and oily-skinned people. It is well known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antifungal properties. It regulates sebum production, kills acne-causing bacteria and soothes skin, thus enhancing the overall appearance of your face. Lavender essential oil is the most popular essential oil for spotless glowing skin. It diminishes acne, evens out face complexion, decelerates the appearance of fine lines, and fights free radicals. Due to its multiple benefits. Recall when your mom used to dry orange peels in shade to use them as a face pack. Along with vitamin C, it also holds the superpower of potassium, beta-carotene, magnesium, and fiber, which stimulates and restores collagen production. Rosemary essential oil is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, calcium, iron, and magnesium, and manganese. Furthermore, its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant rosmarinic acid components fix all your skin concerns and make it glow naturally. It reduces acne, blemishes,